Okay, Mystical Forex back at. You already know what's going to happen right now. We are mainly going to be starting, as always, on the monthly time frame. We mark out our highest points, as we always want. We want our highest points. We want our lowest points, depending on the current market structure or the current market price. Sorry. So what we do is we are to move. Okay, let's take our rectangle right there. Let's mark our lowest point, the current price. Let's go again and mark our highest point of the current price. There we go. Now, as we've marked our highest and lowest points, we are to move on to the weekly time frame. I'm gonna look at this, guys. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Sorry about that. And look at this. Oh yes, it looks nice. Now down to our weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we are going to be focusing on more zones. Let's see. Right here, we have a little downtrend that just stopped. Let's hope it will continue over there. I know you guys can see that. Look at this zone too. Look at this zone again. Here. Oh yes, right there. Now we are going down to our daily time frame, but before we go on to our daily time frame, I want everyone to take a look at how the market has been playing out based on a market structure. You can all see it, right? How the market came out of this impulsive move into sort of a correction move, and breaking out of this zone is going to help us a lot in finding major trades that are possibly going to go down and reach this level right here, as you can see, right? But at the same time, we are also going to be preparing ourselves for this level here, as you can all see. Okay, that's great. Okay, let me zoom in again. So based on our last point of rejection here, look at what the market has been doing. Okay, I'm going to try and just mark out certain zones, just like this, Okay, I'm expecting the markets to move all the way to this level because sorry about that, I think I need some water. By the way, guys, when you're trading, always drink water. It's, you know what they say about water, it's a wonderful memory. So, you know, drink some water. I'm joking. Do whatever you want. Coffee, water, whatever. Okay, so now going down to our daily time frame, we are going to be waiting or looking for certain zones that are so recent for us to trade on. I mean, look at this zone right here. Look at this zone over here. Look at this zone. With this zone, I know you guys are probably like, oh wow, it's probably gonna bounce and go back up and break this level. Of course it might. There are only two sides in the market, the buy side and the sell side. So based on my structure, or what I'm seeing is that this market has a potential of going up. Okay, but if it doesn't, we always say keep your stop loss closer. You know, they say keep your take profit close, but your stop loss closer. But at the same time, judging from what I'm seeing right now, you can see how the market is moving in this sort of a level. Look at this. No, sorry about that. There we go. I know that the whole community can see this right now. The whole YouTube family. I mean, like, wow. The whole YouTube family saw this, right? Of course, we've had a few sites in the premium group. I've shown them a few of these things, a few setups that we are going to take, and judging from what everyone's seeing right now, the market has been moving in a very wonderful way, and we cannot deny that. We cannot deny how the market has been moving, and this is what I'm expecting from the market. I'm expecting it to break out, and continue going up. But before we even go all the way to breaking out and doing all that, okay, there are certain levels that the market doesn't always respect. But judging from what I'm looking at, you can clearly see how this market has been playing out in this chart pattern. Okay, the market is currently in this zone, but if we are to zoom out, this is a very strong level, guys. I do not have to repeat myself. That is quite a strong level on the monthly time frame, not on the weekly, not on the daily, not on the 4-hour, 1 hour, on the monthly time frame. Quite a strong move. Okay, that is wonderful. Wonderful. You can even see it here. This is like a W formation, and the market just did what it could. Oh, sorry about that. There. Right. So now we are going to move on. Sorry about that. To our 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. We are going to be based on. Oh yes. Trend lines. Okay, following these trend lines is going to help you in identifying a few leaks in the market. Okay, right. So this is how our market has been moving up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, but I would really like if you guys could only focus on the main ones. Let me just do this. Alright, if you are to focus on the main ones only, the main ones are the ones which show you how the market is moving in a nice manner, because you are going to ignore the noise inside these levels. As you can see, that's a nice double top right here. Oh yes, and this is what I'm seeing right now, guys. I hope you can see this with me right there. So the market has been moving in high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, and we've just recently moved into creation of a lower high and a lower low. The reason that being is because this level right here, is the higher low that just got broken out, and that's a change in market structure. It's a major market shift. I can zoom in a bit so that you can see this right here. is a higher low, and the market just broke out of that higher low. This is not a fake out, none of that. We can even start to see rejection over here. Okay, we can even start to see rejection over here, judging from the way it's looking right now. Let me just remove this for you. Okay, judging from the looks of this, all right, the market is rushing for this level right here, and we are going to be tracking this. We are not going to stop. We are going to be tracking it for as long as we can, guys. Okay, this is another level right here. Quite a nice level, isn't it? Okay, guys, so part of my students, part of the people in my premium group saw this and they were quite amazed. They were quite amazed at what this market is doing, and people want to trade this breakout of this level, having our take profits here. Here's gonna be our first take profit right here. I mean, here's gonna be our first take profit. Sorry guys, our first take profit is going to be right over here, right after the breakout of this zone, this trend line, and the market's just gonna be moving all the way. This is, to my understanding, all the way here. Okay, you say that we are gonna have a big breakout, okay, or to this level, or the market is gonna bounce here, bounce out of this zone and reach this level, as you can see. Okay, now the premium group already caught this double top right here, but we don't want to talk about that right now. We want to move straight to the H1 time frame, where I'm going to be showing you quite some wonderful setups the premium group caught. I shouldn't be talking about this, but I have to. I love the YouTube family. I love the YouTube family. Okay, all right. So there's our double top. This one, let me just remove this one right here and this right here, so that you can see clearly what I'm chasing. This was more of a double top into a consolidation type of setup, and the market broke out here, retested, and we have been in a level, a wonderful level of lower lows and lower highs, and we haven't been missing any trades so far. Okay, we had our first entry over there, second entry over there, now looking for a third entry in this area. Okay, having our target right here. This is in the premium group now, so I don't want people asking me, oh wow, please go down further. Of course I'm gonna go down to the M15 time frame, but not on YouTube. Okay, there's too much noise for you to be trying to analyze on M15 in such a short period of time. You need time to focus on the higher time frames, time to focus on the levels that I've shown you before you would advance into the advanced minute time frames. Okay, but as you're seeing this, I waste no time in showing you I waste no time in showing you. There. Are you happy? Okay. Market always moves in two ways. Like I said. Okay. Expect price to go there, or expect price to do this. Okay. We have take profit here and take profit here based on our setups in this zone. Okay. Alright, thank you guys for focusing and watching my videos. I am very grateful for you. Just leave a like, a comment, share my videos, subscribe please, because I'm gonna be showing you the AUDUSD 1.2 market breakdown, sorry. And this keeps on showing, and I'm gonna show you how we are going to be trading onto our next zone. Okay, leave a subscribe guys. That's it for now. Later.